I teach students to vary the length of their sentences because it forces them to think about the rhythm of their writing and how it glides, pivots, spins, and moves. In the same way a soccer player must master different dribbling lengths to control the ball, a writer must master different sentence lengths to control ideas. A soccer player uses a long dribble to push the ball into space, gather speed, and create separation from a defender as they gallop down the pitch. Then, when defenders near, they switch to short dribbles and bursts as they near the goal. Writing is similar. Long sentences give writers space to develop ideas and build momentum as one thought races into the next and pushes the reader forward. Short sentences make a point. They are used for emphasis. They announce the arrival of something important. Goal. For the following task, you will take the Sentence Rhythm Challenge. You'll be given a paragraph made up of short, choppy sentences. While the ideas are clear, the writing sounds repetitive because every sentence is about the same length. Your task is to revise the paragraph by varying the sentence lengths, combine some sentences, expand others with details, keep a few short sentences for emphasis, create a rhythm that makes the writing more interesting to read. Good luck.